Mr. Rasmol and Mr. Junai. Thank you for the and Junai. If they are cleaning high surfaces, should be helmet. Clear? Okay, clear now properly. Okay, so make sure without supervisor module, all clean. We appreciate all the hard work and for the month of April. Honey. May. Dildar. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. We will observe. Okay, we are not only for walking. We observe one by one. Who's doing the best every day, night shift and morning shift. This is the needs. Okay, so just maintain your area. So we have a simple snap. This is from mall manager, Mr. Ryan. He will give some budget for this snap for today. Okay, so just enjoy.